Let's now do an unboxing of the Nuroum Open Bluetooth earphone. As you can see, there it is just there. More about the features: noise suppression, comfortable, lightweight design. So these are good to be able to listen to when you're, if you're doing conference calls, stuff like that. Having the speaker going near your ear, the microphone is very good. A bit more about what it does. There's a user manual. More about some of the key features and what it comes with. A bit more about the quick start guide. A bit more about some of the features too and what you can kind of do with it. So you can use this as earbuds and also as like a microphone on calls. Let's take a look here. So here it is just here. Now, one thing I like about this, it feels quite light as well, and it feels very flexible. So it is just there. So this is what sits over your ears. And there's where the microphone sits too. So just having a look. So you should be able to turn this around. So you can turn this around like this. So you can face to the front, because obviously you don't want to be behind your head. So there's a microphone there. You can see there it is there. There's a headset. So you turn it on by holding down the button there. Power on. You can turn up and down the volume there as well. And in the front there you've got the speaker. You can also turn that on as well. So I believe that's turned on and off the microphone. So that's to mute it. So if you want to don't hear people call you on a call, you can mute it there too. So depends what you want to do. And that's a multi-function button too. So that's the headset there. Looks nice and light as well, which is important because if you're on calls all day, you don't want the headset to be. If you're on calls all day, you don't want the headset to be really heavy on your head. And so there's microphone there, sits in your head. So this has the microphones just there for where your ears are, and that's the microphone at the front there too. Yeah, nice design. I quite like it. Like a headband kind of design. There we are there. And let's go see what else comes in the box. So you got the USB cable, not USB-C though, it's the plug cable there. And that's it there. So nice.